Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for Monday, the 12th of November. I did a previous video of let's get ready for the week ahead. I'll attach it at the end of this video. That one will tell you what earnings are coming up, economic information. Tomorrow is Veterans Day, and thank you for the service by all veterans out there. We truly appreciate it. So you may have slower volumes tomorrow during the day, but we'll see. All right. So we go into Monday, the 12th of November, and I have a lengthy list, but I think a good list. So the first one up is AGRX. That stock traded 1.3 million shares. It's a $1 name, holding up above the moving averages here. No activity in the after hours on Friday, but this one will be on watch. AKBA was getting nice volume on Friday. It came up to about that $10 area, pushed up to my green moving average here, which is the 200 SMA. 2.6 million shares came in on AKBA, so keep an eye on that one for some kind of intraday trade. If it can get back over maybe 9, we'll see how it sets up intraday. AMD is one that I'm always watching. Now we had this big push up to about the 100 SMA. We've pulled back a couple of candles. We're still holding up above 20 bucks, still holding up above the 10 SMA. So this one will be on watch. One thing I don't like is the RSI down here is still below this 50 spot on the RSI, but I will have AMD on watch for intraday trades for right now. AAPS had a big pop up, 1.3 million shares on Friday. Popped all the way up to $2. So keep APPS on your watch. Might set up or may not do anything at all. Now, BABA is going to be on watch because over the weekend, BABA had news. Alibaba sets new singles day record with more than 30.8 billion in sales in 24 hours. So this might get some activity from in BABA during the week and for Monday. So Alibaba, BABA will be on watch for tomorrow. Another name, AMRN, will also be on watch. Now, AMRN has had a nice run. It's come up here to about $23 on AMRN, but over the weekend we had this news from AMRN. Some of their data came out. Oil pill may justify AMRN surging stock price. So we'll see what happens with this one intraday. I'm sure tomorrow it'll be pretty volatile, so AMRN will be on watch for tomorrow and the week ahead. Next one up, we'll be watching some of these gas names, oil and gas. COG will be on watch. You see the chart is holding up okay here. We have that $26 level to get up above on COG. So keep an eye on that one. CRE had a very good Friday. CRE was moving up. Friday was not the strongest session, but CRE had relative strength, 3.2 million shares. Came into CRE, it popped up above this $40 level, so this one definitely goes on watch. Possible swing trade in CRE. CRK, another oil and gas play, holding up above $8, trying to get up above the 200 SMA. So keep an eye on that one. CVRS, you could kind of see that it's kind of coming out of this consolidation here on CVRS. Nice move up. Had about 600,000 shares traded. Would like to see a little more volume come in, but if we can get up over that 135, 140 spot, CVRS might want to do something. I have some shippers on watch. DCIX. Now, pretty much most of them look like this. They've pulled back to about the 50 SMA on the shippers and now turning back up, giving some bounces. So DCIX will be on watch. Dries pulled back, so this Dries will be on watch to see if it can get back over this $6 area. EDRY is another one that's had this organized pullback to the 50 SMA, and then dip buyers showed right back up again around that 50 SMA on EDRY. That's another shipper. Another shipper I'll be watching is PXS, all right, Texas shipper here. And this name also pulled back, organized pullback to the 20 SMA, held this $1.75, has that $2 area up ahead. I'm sorry, it has that $2.40 area up ahead on PXS. So you have that $2.40 area up ahead. All right, but we held this $1.75 and bounced off the 20 SMA. So this one will be on watch for intraday. Another name I'll be watching is this RGSE. It's a real good solar. There were some insider purchases in this name. I had, let me bring over the Trade Exchange news box. By the way, this news box courtesy of the Trade Exchange. So what was it? RGSE. There was some insider purchases on this one. Two insider buys on RGSE. One for 150,000, one for 100,000. So this one might make some nice moves the week ahead and for Monday. So watch that if it can get up over that 45 cent, 50 cent area. 13.8 million shares came into the name on Friday. MTNB is another name that I'll be watching. This one is curling up, turning back up on MTNB, has that $1.20 spot up ahead. So volume was 2.1 million shares on Friday. This ELAN, which is a recent IPO, a spinoff from Eli Lilly, LLY, the symbol there, but ELAN is trying to move back up. We've been holding above the fast moving averages here, so keep an eye on ELAN. Possible swing trade in this recent IPO. Once again, a spinoff from Lilly, LLY. Another name I'll be watching for Monday, and I guess kind of the week ahead, you have this Carex, 3.3 million shares came into the name on Friday, so that one looks good. LCI had some nice volume come into the name, basing under, let's see, the Friday highs were 565 for LCI, basing under that $6 area. We'll see if this one wants to get going for the week or for tomorrow. NETE has been making some fits and starts, some pops here. Now this could have been, some kind of news event here. John Najarian is on the board of this name NETE. It's been popping here and there. Now I'm not in love with this one intraday, but if it gets going here over this 650 area, you might want to keep an eye on that one. Not a favorite on the list, but just something to keep an eye on. NVLN, 35 million shares, over 35 million shares came into this name, has that $2 area, has the 50 SMA up above. This one has been in play, so keep your eye on this one. We'll see how it sets up intraday. Let's see, RRTS starting to turn the corner. Now, this is another name that's an under $1 name. It's under the 50 SMA, 2.6 million shares came into it. So I'll be watching that one. SLS will also be on watch. You had this volume come in on Friday, got up to a high on Friday of $2.46. So $2.50 held this one back. 13.2 million shares came into that name. We closed at $1.84, so gave back a lot of the gains. So we'll see on SLS. SWN is another name that I'll be watching. It's a nat gas play. Nat gas has been moving up very strong, big pop in nat gas, while oil has been moving down. So SWN, maybe it has some more life in it. We'll see. Looks like it needs to get up over that $6 area though for SWN. Let's see. Ruby was very strong on Friday. 1.9 million shares on Ruby, RUBI. You might want to keep an eye on that one. Another shipper, GSL. This one popped up. We got almost 1 million shares in it on Friday. Keeps stopping at around this $1.10 area. You could see kind of the range here that it's in, but it is starting to curl back up. We are below the 200 SMA. So GSL, I believe they had earnings last week, so keep an eye on that one. And then lastly, we'll leave it at this one. EIDX, all right, another recent IPO biotech name, was slammed down, now starting to turn the corner a little bit. So I'll keep an eye on this one. Volume is a little bit light, 169,000 shares in this name. And I'll give you one more. SESN has been holding up okay. SESN. So trying to get up over this $2 area. Friday volume, 1.3 million shares. You see on Thursday, they had a nice volume pop and a gap up here. I believe they had earnings come out last week and some information about one of their phase two, I think it was. So keep an eye on this one. If you can get that $2 break is a possibility. Intraday, it might want to make a move also. All right, so this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. That's a stocks to watch list for you for the week ahead. If you'd like to check out my service, if you're a swing trader, I have different offerings for you. And also, if you are a day trader, you could come try my room for $30 for 30 days. Just use that coupon code. You could be in my room for a month. We offer a very professional room, screen share, and whatnot. Hope everybody has a very good day trading tomorrow. We'll be back at you with another video on Monday night for Tuesday night. And see you along the way. Thanks very much for supporting the channel. Hit that like button if these videos are helping you out. Have a great Sunday night.